Here's some Territorial Disputes trivia. Subscribe. Which two countries dispute the Falkland Islands? Is it A, Brazil, B, France, C, Argentina and United Kingdom, or D, Chile? The correct answer is C, Argentina and United Kingdom. The Golan Heights is a contested area between Syria and which country? Is it A, Iraq, B, Israel, C, Jordan, or D, Lebanon? The correct answer is B, Israel. What territory does India and Pakistan fight over? Is it A, Kashmir, B, Punjab, C, Gujarat, or D, Bengal? The correct answer is A, Kashmir. Which Asian country claims the Senkaku Islands? Is it A, Japan, B, South Korea, C, Malaysia, or D, India? The correct answer is A, Japan. What is the disputed region between India and China? Is it A, Himachal Pradesh, B, Sikkim, C, Aksai Chin, or D, Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is C, Aksai Chin. Which is the only U.S. state featuring a territorial dispute with Canada? Is it A, Oregon, B, Alaska, C, New York, or D, Florida? The correct answer is B, Alaska. Which territory is claimed by Taiwan but governed by China? Is it A, Tibet, B, Xinjiang, C, Taiwan, or D, Macau? The correct answer is C, Taiwan. Which body of water is involved in disputes between China and several Southeast Asian nations? Is it A, Arabian Sea, B, Java Sea, C, South China Sea, or D, Gulf of Thailand? The correct answer is C, South China Sea. What area is disputed between Armenia and Azerbaijan? Is it Tsklai, B, Sukhumi, C, Karakol, or D, Nagorno-Karabakh? The correct answer is D, Nagorno-Karabakh. Which nation claims the territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Is it A, Nepal, B, Afghanistan, C, China, or D, India? The correct answer is D, India. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.